Top 5 Home Remedies for Canker Sores. Although canker sores are often small in size, they can be extremely painful. Canker sores are small red bumps with yellow and white centers that can form inside the mouth, lips, cheeks, throat, and on the tongue. Some common symptoms of canker sores are a tingling or burning sensation near the affected area, swollen lymph glands, fever, and sluggishness. They can be caused by mouth trauma, excessive stress, poor diet, hormonal changes, a compromised immune system, a food allergy or vitamin deficiencies. Canker sores are not contagious and typically disappear within 2 weeks without treatment. For quick pain relief, hold a small ice cube directly over the sore and allow it to melt slowly. Ice will not cure the problem, but it will make you feel better. There are many more simple home treatments to ease the pain and irritation associated with canker sores and promote faster healing. Here are the top 5 home remedies for canker sores. 1. Honey. Honey is an extremely soothing substance that can help relieve the pain and inflammation caused by canker sores. Also, you can combine it with turmeric as it has antiseptic properties. Mix together 1 teaspoon of honey and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply the paste on the affected area and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. You can also apply a teaspoon of honey all around the affected area to ease pain and inflammation associated with canker sores. 2. Coriander. Coriander has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic and antifungal properties that can effectively alleviate symptoms of canker sores. Boil 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds or leaves in a cup of water. Strain the solution and then use it to rinse your mouth 3 or 4 times a day. You can also drink the juice from fresh coriander leaves. Do not swallow it immediately. Try to keep it in your mouth for some time, so the juice can bathe the affected areas. 3. Moist tea bag. A used tea bag contains tannic acid, a kind of astringent that helps reduce pain and inflammation and speeds up the healing process. You can use either a black or a green tea bag. After making a cup of tea, put the wet tea bag in the refrigerator for a few minutes. Press the chilled, wet tea bag gently over the canker sore for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do this 2 or 3 times a day until the canker sore is gone. 4. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera has anti-inflammatory properties along with many curative powers, including antibacterial properties, that can help ease the pain and get rid of canker sores. Extract the juice from the meaty portion of an aloe vera leaf and apply it directly over the canker sore. Do this several times a day. You can also rinse your mouth with fresh aloe vera juice 3 or 4 times a day. If fresh aloe vera juice is not available, you can use the packaged version readily available in the market. 5. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil contains antiseptic as well as antibacterial compounds that are very effective skin disinfectants and can help treat canker sores. Use of tea tree oil also minimizes the risk of further recurrences of canker sores, depending on the severity of the sore. Make a solution of 5 to 10% tea tree oil and water in a glass. Use the solution to rinse your mouth. Do this 2 or 3 times a day until the canker sore goes away.
Thank you for your attention and for having seen the video. As you know, my name is Indira. You can meet me in my blog IndiraRemedies.com. If you do not know me, visit this website and you will know my personal history. In my blog we talk about losing weight and health in general. As you know, obesity or overweight can trigger many deadly diseases. I am not the only one who said that. World Health Organization thinks the same. In this channel and along with my blog I can help you to follow a healthy lifestyle and to finish with these extra kilos. If you visit the link of the video's description you will be able to download for free a very special gift dedicated to all our followers, valued at $27. It is a gift that will not be available for a long time, so if you visit the link of the video's description, and you realize that we no longer have it, visit my blog and keep having a look, because on some occasions we are launching this offer or others totally free. So if you really want to lose weight, visit the link of the video's description, and if you like the video, give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel to not miss any others videos. You can also follow me on my blog and social media. Best regards, and see you in the next video.